Welcome back to the KOAM Morning News. Joplin is turning 150, and here to tell us all about the fun things going on for the city's birthday is Patrick Tuttle. Patrick,
Morning.
Welcome to the show. You and I have talked about I don't know how many different things over the years, but this is an extraordinarily exciting time for the city.
It is our sesquicentennial, and it's going to be a fun time. And we've had a commission that's been working on this for about 4 years now, both the Missouri Bicentennial in 2021 and now this. And it's a lot of great activities to highlight the culture and the history of Joplin itself.
And so some of the events, let me put it that way, what are some of the events that you've got coming up?
This week we have two dates. The 21st, tomorrow, is an event at the Joplin Historical Museum. Dr. Galen Irwin will be doing a presentation on Gabby Street. Now, Gabby Street was a manager for the Cardinals and also for the Joplin Miners. And if you know 26th Street between Maiden Lane and Main is doubly named for Gabby Street. He became a Joplin celebrity when he retired from baseball and came to the area. And Dr. Irwin's going to do a presentation on his memorabilia and very interesting type things there. And then Thursday is actually the birthday. It's actually the actual birthday. We'll be having some things in City Hall. Our own Brad Belk will be doing a presentation on the Benton mural, which was a gift from 1973 for the centennial, and that's 50 years old now. He's going to connect Mr. Benton with Joplin and why his only autobiography mural is so important to us. And then we'll have actually a celebration at 4 o'clock downstairs for the birthday. And then that evening we have an event at Central Christian Center, kind of an uplifting spiritual event put on by the Joplin Ministerial Alliance. So all these details are on celebratejoplin.com or Celebrate Joplin Facebook, and you can read about what's going on. We're connecting with the 4 states though in April. We're doing a baseball event. It's going to put the 4 varsity teams of Joplin, Pittsburgh, Columbus, and Galena together at Joe Becker Stadium. You know where Joe Becker Stadium is. But in between, we have a VBBA game, a Vintage Baseball Association. And these guys are to baseball what Civil War reenactors are to World War, or to Civil War history. Yeah. The old bats, the balls, the gloves, and the old wool uniforms and all that. And the kids are taking on kind of the old persona of old minor league teams that played in the area, like the Pittsburgh Coal Diggers and the Columbus Bombers and the Galena Miners and the Joplin Miners. So these are regularly scheduled games for the high school kids on April 15th, but in between this VBA game will be going on. So anybody who loves baseball has got to come out and support our hometown teams, but also see this Vintage Baseball Association match. It's going to be really very cool. So
even though the big birthday, of course, is this week, there's still plenty of historical events going on across the city.
All the way through September. Yeah, we have things dotting the months and putting on there. One of the biggest events is also April 15th. There's going to be a Percy Winwick tribute. Percy Winwick was from Joplin. He was one of the major contributors to a true American music form of ragtime. And he's going to be doing a performance. Steve Spracklin and Robin Braun from the area here both are into the vaudeville shtick, and they're going to be playing Dolly, his wife, as well as Percy. And that'll be at the Taylor Performing Arts Center at the Missouri Southern Campus. It'll be a great night of ragtime music. We've got barbershop quartets coming in, internationally known barbershop quartets coming in. And they're doing a clinic. They'll be here on the 14th doing a free clinic for kids who want to learn vocal harmony. All that. It's just a great time, just some great music.
Yeah, lot of stuff coming up. And so as you mentioned, you can find that information at celebratejoplin.com. You can also find it on the Facebook page of the same name. And of course, it'll be on our website, KOAMnewsnow.com. We will be back with more right after this.